vloggers, so I messed up a little. One sec. Okay, so I'm so sorry about the first part. So this is part 2 about the fidget spinner review. So you can British accent, take these off, finger pads. Take them off, and then you can like stick something in it, like a pen, whatever, and still spins. So the thing of it spinning are the balls. So when you hold this, the balls spin, and that controls the thing to spin also. Yeah, so I guess that's pretty much it. So I hope I get enough subscribes so I could be, I don't know, at least 10 subscribers and at least 100 likes. So I hope you all have an epic night or day, whatever time you're watching this, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Peace!